The healing power of heartbeat sounds. Reduce anxiety, sleep better, and feel safe again. Are you feeling stressed out lately? Is anxiety keeping you up at night? Or maybe you've tried every trick in the book, but still can't seem to fall asleep. What if I told you there's a simple, natural sound that's been calming you since before you were born? Yes, the sound of a heartbeat. That steady, rhythmic thump you've heard in womb-like safety long before you ever took your first breath. Science and sound therapy are now showing that listening to heartbeat sounds can do more than just relax you. It can help you sleep deeper, lower your stress levels, and restore a sense of calm in today's chaotic world. Let's dive into the healing power of heartbeat sounds and why this might be your new favorite wellness tool. Why heartbeat sounds help you relax, the womb connection. Before we even see the world, we live in rhythm with our mother's heartbeat. For about 9 months, this steady pulse is our very first lullaby. No wonder it brings comfort. Research in developmental psychology shows that newborns and infants respond positively to familiar heartbeat-like rhythms. One study published in Developmental Psychobiology, 2001, found that heartbeat sounds helped premature babies sleep better and gain weight faster, a clear sign of reduced stress and improved relaxation. So when adults listen to heartbeat sounds, we're not just hearing a rhythm, we're reconnecting with our most primal sense of safety. The science behind why it works. Triggers the parasympathetic nervous system, rest and digest mode. Heartbeat sounds are repetitive, low frequency, and non-threatening. These characteristics signal safety to the brain, especially the vagus nerve, which plays a key role in calming the body. This process helps slow the heart rate, lower blood pressure, and reduce cortisol, the stress hormone. Improves heart rate variability, HRV. According to the Frontiers in Public Health Journal, 2020, high heart rate variability is linked to better emotional regulation, sleep, and stress resilience. Listening to calming sounds like slow heartbeats may help entrain your own heartbeat and breathing patterns, promoting a state of physiological balance. Auditory entrainment. The brain tends to sync with external rhythms, a phenomenon known as entrainment. This is why listening to heartbeat sounds, often around 60 to 80 beats per minute, can subconsciously guide your body into matching that calming pace, especially when you're anxious or overstimulated. Emotional healing, feeling held, safe, and grounded. It's not just about science, it's about how it makes you feel. Heartbeat sounds offer a deep emotional kind of safety. They're grounding, warm, and non-judgmental. People with trauma, anxiety disorders, or even insomnia often report feeling held or protected when listening to them. That's why many therapists and sleep experts incorporate heartbeat sounds into guided meditations, sleep soundtracks, ASMR therapy, healing music for trauma recovery. You can think of it like an auditory hug, a gentle rhythm that tells your body, it's okay to rest now. Heartbeat sounds for sleep, a natural sedative. Struggling with insomnia? Here's why heartbeat soundscapes can help you fall asleep faster and sleep more deeply. The sound helps quiet racing thoughts by offering a stable background rhythm. It induces a hypnotic state by mimicking the sounds we associate with deep comfort. It pairs beautifully with slow breathing techniques or meditation to help downshift the nervous system. In fact, a study in Sleep Medicine, 2019, found that low-frequency rhythmic sounds improve sleep quality and reduce nighttime awakenings, a benefit that heartbeat-based audio tracks offer naturally. Who can benefit from heartbeat sound therapy? People with anxiety or panic attacks, individuals with PTSD or emotional trauma, pregnant women or those seeking to bond with their unborn child, babies and toddlers who need soothing naps, anyone dealing with chronic stress, burnout, or insomnia. Whether you're meditating, resting, journaling, or just trying to unwind before bed, adding heartbeat sounds to your routine can be a small change with big effects. How to listen. Tips for maximum effect. Use headphones or a good speaker to fully feel the low-frequency pulses. Pair with deep breathing. Try inhaling for 4 counts and exhaling for 6 as you listen. Listen in a quiet, dim space. Create a safe, womb-like environment. Combine with nature's sounds, soft music, or white noise for extra layering. Final thoughts. Let your heart find its rhythm. In a world that often feels loud and restless, sometimes all you need is something simple, something steady, familiar, and safe. The sound of a heartbeat offers just that. Whether you're battling stress, chasing rest, or simply seeking comfort, this gentle rhythm can guide you home, not just to sleep, but to peace. And to support you on your journey to deeper rest and healing, we've lovingly curated a special weightless, relaxing music video featuring soft heartbeat sounds. It's designed to help you unwind, de-stress, and sleep more peacefully. Whether you play it during your bedtime routine, meditation, or quiet moments of stillness, let it soothe your soul and slow your racing thoughts. Check it out now and feel yourself gently drift into calm. If this video has helped you feel more at peace, subscribe for more science-backed wellness insights, health facts, and healing soundscapes created to nourish your mind, body, and soul. You're not alone. And it's okay to rest.